Data privacy regulations are stricter than ever. Laws like the Digital Personal Data Protection Act demand clear, verifiable user consent. But managing consent across systems, channels, and platforms? That's where most organizations struggle. Manual tracking, scattered records, and missing audit trails put your business at risk of penalties, compliance failures, and loss of customer trust. Introducing Consent Keeper, a powerful consent management platform designed to capture, manage, and track user consent in a clear, secure, audit-ready way. Comply with DPDP requirements. Respect user privacy. Generate audit-ready evidence. Reduce regulatory risk. Consent Keeper empowers your organization with enterprise-grade capabilities, customizable forms and APIs to collect consent at every digital touchpoint, real-time compliance dashboard with actionable insights, Aadhaar-based verifiable consent using eSign, tamper-proof audit logs, secure centralized repository, privacy by design architecture with encryption and role-based access. Getting started is simple. Just 4 steps. Configure. Define data types, purpose, and consent channels. Capture. Collect consent via forms, APIs, mobile apps, or widgets. Manage. Track, update, or revoke consent in real time. Comply. Generate reports and demonstrate compliance instantly. Industry use cases. Real estate. For real estate, collecting consent is not optional anymore. Agents and developers can now capture explicit consent before sending property details, price updates, or marketing messages right at the point of lead capture. FinServe. In financial services, consent is critical for credit checks, document verification, and personalized offers. Consent Keeper ensures every customer interaction is legally recorded, giving you confidence and compliance with DPDP and industry standards. Healthcare. Healthcare providers can use Consent Keeper to obtain patient approvals for storing health records or sharing data with partners, reducing risk while safeguarding privacy. E-commerce and SaaS ensure every user sign-up, marketing opt-in, or tracking permission is properly documented. Deployment flexibility. Consent Keeper adapts to your infrastructure with flexible deployment options. On-premise, full control and data sovereignty. Private cloud, secure hosted deployment, integrations. It seamlessly integrates with your existing systems, including enterprise platforms, HR tools, e-commerce systems, vendor portals, and custom apps via APIs and SDKs. Why businesses choose Consent Keeper? Organizations trust Consent Keeper because it delivers complete data control, audit readiness, reduced reliance on third-party consent tools, and robust privacy-first security. Consent isn't just a checkbox. It's the foundation of trust. Consent Keeper keeps your business compliant, protected, and confident. Book a demo today. Visit www.dpdpcompliancesolution.com for more information.